eyes, noticed alive. DEA say I'm drugging them. I get to leaning hard, I get the fiends to nod. I mean they loving them. All hail your highness, terrific wind. Put a so-called beast in his place, Pacific Rim.
Keep watch, lights out when the beat drop. Keeping the streets locked. I'm calling all G's from each block, from each block. Keep watch, lame niggas out there could kick rocks. Run these streets out here, don't need cops. I'm calling all G's from each block, from each block.
Foul ass police, crooked ass friends. I don't give a fuck, yo, the drama never ends. I'm a project nigga, I don't care about the Benz. Plus I had a lot of chicks, you can have those bitches, but I murder your blood clot if you touch my riches. Yeah, crazy ass skipper, I be in the slums, nigga. Fuck where I come from, I'm a quiet gangster nigga. First I get you comfortable, then I start shanking niggas. Park kill coders don't violate the family. Brother to brothers, no snakes in the amnesty. I come through wildin' on some Wu-Tang Kennedy. Googly eyed nigga, chop his face in the ministry. Never scared to do the time, fuck the penitentiary. Leave a bunch of dead niggas, don't forget to mention me. The angel of rap, the unordinary light already did what I was going through before you even got the mic.
We left a large solar cloud distinguished by size. Interaction with the wise and civilized. The mind caused matter to fall into a center. A great deal of heat that irradiate the tenure. From out of this collision, the central core became thick enough to trap its own light and bring vision. Each drop full of hip-hop energy. Balance on all sides, such great symmetry. The bars unlock the power of the stars. The mirror in the telescope pinpoint the guards from a distance, acting as a guiding coach. Analyze the board, universal approach. Retune the soul to a certain pitch, changing the frequency frequently, hitting a certain switch.